Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat friend request limit. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat friend request limit, you should just go to settings. After that, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will search about this Snapchat. When you'll find it, you will click for stop and you will click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.